This is a brand new 2013 Ford Escape. This crossover has an automatic transmission, an inline 4-cylinder engine, and the added safety and control of 4-wheel drive. Its top features include an intercooled turbocharger, a navigation system, traction control and stability control systems, high-intensity headlights, 10 perfectly positioned speakers, commercial-free satellite radio, aluminum wheels, and a tire pressure monitoring system. The following features are also included: memory settings for the seat's positions so you can recall your favorite alignments with the push of one button, a multi-function display, cruise control, leather seats, performance tires, a rear spoiler, an illuminated driver's side vanity mirror, an anti-lock braking system, air conditioning, and the power rear liftgate can open and close at the push of a button. Contact us today to arrange your test drive.
Hagerty Ford is dedicated to doing everything possible to ensure that the experience you have selecting your next vehicle is as pleasant as possible. We are located at 330 East Roosevelt Road in West Chicago.